She wore her bruises like perfume, invisible but choking every room. He said he loved her through his teeth, then left her bleeding underneath. She begged the night to hold her tight, wrote prayers to stars that had no light. Mama screamed behind locked doors, her name became a fucking chore. Hospital beds, fake smiles on friends, she laughed like hell was just pretend. Cut the ribbon from her wrist, said pain's the only one I kissed. In every mirror showed a ghost of who she was before she froze. You never heard her screaming true, 'cause silence screamed louder than you. She said goodbye without a word, just tears that nobody heard. She screamed in notes you'll never play, a love so dark it ran away. And this was the last time she spoke. She found her comfort in decay, talked to shadows faded away, texted I'm fine with bloody hands, prayed for sleep she'd understand. Every party, every lie, another mask, another high. Boys touched her like a toy, never saw the girl they destroyed. She watched the moon dissolve in red, wrote her goodbye above her bed. You want a selfie? Take my scars. She whispered a fiend, don't heal the dark. I'm tired of pretending this doesn't kill me. You said I was beautiful, but never when I cried. She said goodbye without a word, just tears that nobody heard. She screamed in notes you'll never play, a love so dark it ran away. And this was the last time she spoke. Don't tell them I was weak, tell them I was tired, tell them I was tired.